Oh, I'm really sorry about that. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an absolutely fantastic day. I'm doing pretty alright myself. Today I am super duper excited. I really gotta figure out another way to describe things besides super duper, but until my vocabulary expands, I am super duper excited to be doing the unboxing that I am doing today, and that is for like 3 different reasons. The first being that it is a brand new box to the channel and I always get really excited for brand new boxes. The second is that there is like soaps and bath products involved. And the third is because I have nostalgic feelings towards this box. Even though I've never seen one in person, opened one, anything like that, I have nostalgic feelings for Fortune Cookie soaps. So this little box right here is brand new to the channel. This is from Fortune Cookie soap. I did not know this was coming my way. It just showed up in the PO box one day and I was really excited to get it. And the reason I have like nostalgic feelings towards a box that I've never actually unboxed before is that this is the very first subscription type box that I ever saw unboxed. So like this box right here is what started my curiosity towards subscription boxes, and the person that I saw unbox this box was Bunny or Graveyard Girl on her channel like years ago.
Hey everybody, it's Bunny. Today we are going to be opening the subscription box from Fortune Cookie Soap Company, and it's called the Soap Box.
And I was like, oh, that's so cool. Like something sent to you every single month with cool things in it. Like I just thought it was really awesome. I didn't know any other subscription boxes like existed. And now we're like 750 subscription boxes in on this channel. And I am finally going to be doing an unboxing of a Fortune Cookie soap box, and I'm just really excited about it. For some reason, like nostalgic feelings from multiple years ago were just hitting me. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and bust on into this box. I'm really excited to see what's in here. It is very heavy. Oh good, I'm really glad they sent me like an entire list of things about this box because I'm terrible at reviewing things and I forgot to do any research. It says that the Fortune Cookie of the Month box is a monthly subscription box valued at $70 and the cost of the box itself is $28 a month. It says that the products are an assortment of full-size and deluxe-size products. Oh, fancy! It also says each month a few random lucky subscribers will receive an extra box to gift, so that's kind of nice. There is a whole lot more information. I will leave all their websites and that kind of stuff down below in the description if you guys want to check it out. And I think I just saw the little booklet for the theme for the month, and I think it's Jurassic Park. I am actually pretty excited about this. I really like Jurassic Park. My entire prom was themed around Jurassic Park. I don't know why that's what we went for. I recently just saw the brand new Jurassic Park movie and the one scene, you guys know what I'm talking about. I did not think I was going to be tearing up during a Jurassic Park movie, but that one scene got me. It got me good. So that, of course I would drop it on the floor. Probably never to be seen again because everything is a mess down here. I can't reach it. There seems to be a lot of products in here, so I'm very excited. Everything has like the cute little Jurassic Park looking logo on it. And the very first thing I have in the box is a Must Go Faster, fantastic name, car freshener. And that's lovely. I'm sure this would be fantastic for a person who has an automobile. But if you guys did not know, I actually am horrifically terrified of driving. In my mind, driving on like a regular road during a regular day would be akin to driving a Jeep away from a stampeding T-Rex.
Must go faster.
Literally me anytime I actually attempt to drive. But maybe I could use this for like a room freshener or something like that. I'll go ahead and give it a little sniff. I like that scent. It's like kind of minty almost, a little bit citrusy as well. It smells really nice. It is supposed to have scents of orange rind, thyme, lemongrass, and avocado. I really never expected avocado to be in like a freshener or like a fragrance, but that's very interesting. All right, next up here we have a body milk. That sounds really nice, and this is the Spare No Expense body milk. It says to use, you're supposed to apply to the skin after a shower, in the morning, before bedtime, or anytime. So I'm guessing this is kind of like a thinner lotion. I don't know, I've never really tried a body milk before, but I'll go ahead and give it a little test. Ooh, that smells really good. It has kind of like a little, oh gosh, I'm just a genius. Okay, maybe not tilt it forward dramatically and squeeze it just a little bit. I was expecting it to have kind of like a thinner lotion texture and just kind of like at the top just a tiny bit, but no, it's very like very liquidous. You mean kind of like milk? It does smell really, really good. Oh, it smells really, really good. It feels very like refreshing and cooling and smoothing on the skin. I like this quite a bit. I did waste just a little bit of it just then, but hopefully this will go a long way. There are 8.6 ounces of it. So this I'm actually very excited for when I finally get to sleep tonight. It's currently like 1 a.m. I'm gonna go ahead and try that out before I go to bed. All right, next up in here we have a Life Finds a Way Moroccan Oil Hair Detangler. It looks like there might have been just a little bit of leakage that came out of this because some of the like labeling on the front is a bit oily looking, but that's all right. So this is 5.3 ounces, which is a really good size. Oh, that also smells good. Everything smells like really, really nice. This smells like high quality hair product. Oh, it's up my nose. Yeah, this definitely smells like a salon or something. I really, really like how this smells. I'm hoping it's not too like heavy for my super, super thin hair. I am excited to give this a try. My hair is it's just bad. It's just not good. Okay, and next up in here we have an exfoliating body wash, and the name of this is Preserved in Amber. So I like how they have all their little clever names on the logo there, and like the little fortune cookie almost looks like a roaring T-Rex. Inside here, I'm not sure if you guys are gonna be able to see, but there are like little grainy bits. It's a bubble. So this one I have to say is not my favorite scent. I'm not really sure what the scent is. I'm sure the little pamphlet here will tell me, but it's just, it doesn't smell like the other ones. The other ones have kind of a more bright and fruity and fragrant scent, and this is more, I don't know, different. It says that the scents in here are rich amber, pink jasmine, mandarin, and tropical cassis berries. So I'm guessing it's the amber that I'm not really liking too much, but that is just me. There is walnut shell in there, and that's like the scrubby part of it, which is nice. It's not those little like plasticky bead things. Okay guys, there are still 3 things left in here. I'm gonna try to speed her up just a little bit. Oh, I love the name of this so much. It's one of my favorite lines in the entire movie, and it's like one of the shortest lines ever. This is a clever girl. That was my horrible impression of Short Shorts McGee here that says clever girl. Perfume oil, and I'm really, really excited about this. I super duper hope that I like the scent of it. So it looks like we probably just have like a little roller ball here. Yes, we do. Oh, okay. This one isn't my favorite, unfortunately. I really wish this one smelled like this right here. This body milk smells absolutely amazing, but this, not quite my favorite, which is unfortunate because I literally love the name of this. I'm thinking this might have like eucalyptus in it, which actually gives me a pretty bad headache, unfortunately. No, apparently there is no eucalyptus in there, and I'm just bad at smelling things. It's supposed to be strawberry jam, apple, rose petal sand, vanilla bean. Oh, I'm an actual idiot. Okay, so it's supposed to be rose petals and vanilla bean, but I was like, rose petal sand. No. I think what is actually throwing me off about this is the rose. Unfortunately, I'm just not a fan of rose stuff, but I love the little bottle so much and the name that I'm definitely gonna keep this and just like display it out because I think it's so cute. Alrighty, next up in here, this looks really cool. It's in like a little tub. So this is named Cryo Can, and it is a shaving cream. Ooh, this looks thick. I like that. Okay, so I like this scent as well. I think it's actually really cool that everything like has its own scent, because if you get one thing that you don't like the scent of, it kind of wouldn't be great to get like your entire box with that same scent in it. I keep shoving everything up my nose. So this is the Cryo Can, and it is a very, very thick formula shaving cream. This also comes with 3.1 ounces, which is a fantastic size. And this is supposed to smell like summer squash upon fresh tilled garden earth and dewy leaves. So I don't really know what that's supposed to smell like, but I like the smell of it. And last but not least, it looks like these are like wax melts or something. This is Water Ripples toilet bombs. Oh my gosh, these are bath bombs for your toilet. That is so funny and so different. I have never ever seen anything like this before. I actually really like the smell of it though. So it looks like they've taken pretty much like a bath bomb type material stuff and smushed it into what looks like a clamshell for like wax melts. And then you just break one off and pop it into your your toilet. I don't know, this is just something incredibly different that I personally would have never thought of, so I will give it a try and see how it works out. Alrighty guys, so that was everything in my very first fortune cookie unboxing, and I think this is a pretty fun subscription. The things are like really nice, good sizes that you can use for a while. The smells are super duper nice. Everything seems to be like fairly high quality, well made. I think all these things are handmade, which is really, really cool. It is definitely a little bit on like the pricier side of subscription boxes I get, but you know, it's a little bit more special since everything is handmade and like indie, I guess. But let me know what you guys thought about the subscription down below in the comments. I would love to hear all of your thoughts and opinions. I know I have been talking for like 47 hours, so I'm gonna stop now. And that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. Don't forget that we still have the giveaway going on right now. I will leave a link down to that below in the description if you guys would like to enter. And I hope you all have an absolutely fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye! You know what I just absolutely love? That there are tiny flakes of my lipstick gathering on my chin throughout this video, and I did not notice at all until I started editing. Okay, I'll let you guys go now. Bye!